Today I wanted to introduce you to this amazing fruit. It's called a pomelo. And before I came to Thailand, I'd never heard of them. I'd never seen them. It's kind of a little bit like a grapefruit, but bigger, and a little bit like an orange. And the taste is kind of somewhere in between. It is a tropical fruit or a subtropical fruit. It will not withstand a frost. So here in our place in Northern Thailand, it grows really quite well. The one struggle I do have with it, though, is our soil is very alkaline, and pomelo prefer a somewhat acidic soil. So part of my technique is just to let these fall on the ground and leave them there, because then that's going to put a bit of acid into the soil. And I haven't managed to get around to pruning citrus trees properly, so there's too much fruit on them, so if some of them fall off, it really doesn't matter that much. And part of the reason why I didn't get to prune them, I was about to, and I saw they were flowering. This was probably 6 to 9 months ago, because it takes a long time for them to really produce ripe fruit. But when it produces ripe fruit, it's something else. Let's go and have a look. I'll show you at least what it looks like. I can't, unfortunately, share the taste with you via video. When we cut it open, it's pretty tough, and the rind inside is really, really thick. So the way I've learned to do it is just to cut both ends off and then slice in some of the way, and then you've got to just kind of wrestle in and peel this heavy rind off it. Oh, I'll split it open, but there you go. That's what it looks like inside. Often with the pomelo, they're kind of a beige blandness inside, but these are pink ones. Lots of seeds. Wow, this is tough. Ideally, it would come out in one piece, but we've got some good juice in it. But how about that for a peel and a rind off a piece of citrus fruit, and then inside you've got this beautiful fruit, and it feels quite juicy. It's not too bad. It is not the same as the grapefruit, but it's kind of similar. It's closer to a grapefruit than an orange. And it's not too bad at all. Lots of vitamin C, lots of potassium, really good fiber, so it's very, very healthy for you. And we can eat them just like this. You want to really take this rind off, and that inside, sort of anything that's white inside basically is not really edible. And so yeah, it takes a little bit of time to extract the goodness, but once you do, it's fabulous. And we can just eat it raw like this, or we'll mix it in a fruit salad, or we'll put it into a savory salad with some finely chopped and deep fried garlic and some coconut cream and a few other things, a little bit of chili. Absolutely amazing salad. I really love it. You don't find it in many Thai restaurants, but whenever I see it, I order it because it's just delicious. And if you've ever had a taste of this, you'll know exactly what it's like. If you have, drop us a note in the comments down below. And if you'd like to learn more about another tropical fruit that we really enjoy propagating in our garden, you can check out this video here next. Thanks very much for watching.